Hello and welcome to episode 4 of Global Journeys Navigating Immigration. I'm Bayat, an international immigration lawyer, and today we are going to dive into the student visa application process, a critical step for anyone looking to study abroad. The student visa application process typically begins with you receiving a letter of acceptance from your chosen university. This letter is essential as it is often required as part of your visa application. Most countries offer two methods for applying for student visas. Online application, this is often more convenient option. You create a student profile and fill out the necessary forms online. Or offline application, this method requires you to download the application form, fill out and submit it to relevant authorities. But regardless of the method, you'll need to pay a visa application fee. The amount varies by country, so be sure to check the specific requirements for your destination. Now, let's talk about the 3 key elements that most countries require in a student visa application. Financial documents. You must prove that you can support yourself during your studies. So these typically include bank statements showing sufficient funds for your tuition, living expenses, proof of scholarship, or loans. 2. Sponsorship letter. If applicable, for example, in the UK, you must show funds for your first year tuition plus living expenses. In the US, you need to demonstrate sufficient funds for the entire course of studies, so therefore always check the latest requirements for a specific destination. 3. Intent to return. This is crucial. Country wants to ensure you plan to return to your home country after your study. You might demonstrate this throughout proof of property ownership in your home country, evidence of family ties, future job prospects, or family business. The study plan is also an essential document as many countries require a detailed explanation why you're choosing to study abroad. This should include why did you select this particular program or institution? How does it align with your career goals? What are your plans after graduation? Your study plan should be concise yet detailed enough and above all, authentic. Other documents you need to include are your valid passport, university acceptance letter or educational institution acceptance letter, academic transcripts, passport size photo, medical examination results. It's crucial to prepare these documents well in advance. Keep both digital and paper copies of all essential documents. Many countries also require an interview as part of the visa application process. This is your chance to demonstrate your genuine intent to study abroad and your ability to support yourself financially during your stay. It's essential to note that requirements can vary significantly between countries. For example, in Australia, you need to meet the genuine temporary entrance requirement, providing your intent to return home after your studies. In Germany, the requirements want a proof of German language proficiency for courses taught in German. In Japan, often requires a guarantor who is responsible for your expenses and behavior during your stays. Remember, the key to a successful student visa application is thorough application, attention to detail. Please start your application process early, as it can take several weeks or even months to get all the necessary documents and to receive a decision. In our next episode, we'll discuss how to prepare your move abroad once you have secured your visas. Until then, I'm Bayat, reminding you that education knows no borders. Stay informed, stay prepared, keep pursuing your international education dreams.